This video is intended to be a guideline for proper installation techniques using Tarkett products. For complete details, refer to the complete installation instructions for your product. Tarkett products are intended for interior, climate-controlled spaces. The installation space must be fully enclosed and acclimated with a permanent HVAC system in operation. If a system other than permanent HVAC source is utilized, it must provide proper control of both temperature and humidity to the recommended or specific levels for 48 hours prior, during, and after installation. Tarkett's 959HM High Moisture Adhesive is designed for use with ID Latitude, Contour Collections, Event, Aztera, Colorescence, Colorescence SR, Cortina Grande, and Cortina Grande SR. Install over, on, above, and below grade concrete and APA-rated underlayment grade plywood. Before beginning installation, check to ensure the 959HM adhesive bucket has a fold-out instructional insert, which will provide complete application recommendations. 959HM adhesive has a 2-year shelf life from date of manufacture. Do not allow the adhesive to freeze. Moisture tests must be performed on all concrete substrates regardless of grade level or age of slab. Perform moisture testing in accordance with the latest version of ASTM F2170 or ASTM F1869. Concrete substrates that do not meet these conditions must be corrected by installing a moisture mitigation system compliant with ASTM F3010. Tarkett recommends capping all moisture mitigation systems with a quality cementitious product prior to adhesive application and installation of the finished flooring. Do not use Tarkett 959HM adhesive if visible signs of moisture are present on the substrate, in areas that have had previous moisture or alkali-related issues, on concrete in areas that currently have hydrostatic pressure, osmotic pressure, or alkali silica reaction conditions. All substrates must be prepared per ASTM F710 and be clean, smooth, structurally sound, dry, and free of dust, dirt, wax, paint, grease, sealers, curing compounds, existing adhesives residues, or any other contaminants that might interfere with the adhesive bond. Cracks, uneven surfaces, and other irregularities must be filled with an approved cement-based patching compound. A moisture and alkali-resistant patching compound may be needed, depending upon the application. Consult with the manufacturer of these products for recommendations. Begin your installation by thoroughly sweeping the subfloor. All subfloors must be permanently dry, clean, smooth, and structurally sound prior to installation. They must be free of dust, paint, or any foreign material which could affect the adhesive bond. Determine substrate porosity in accordance with ASTM F3191. Determine the correct trowel size based upon these results. Always perform a bond test prior to installation. Bond testing prior to the installation will help identify the appropriate application rate, open and working time, and any potential bonding problems to the substrate or flooring. Spread the adhesive uniformly with the recommended trowel. Working time and open time may vary with temperature, humidity, and substrate porosity. Begin installing flooring into adhesive as it becomes dry to the touch, with little transfer to finger when lightly touched. Transfer to the back of the floor covering is critical to a successful installation. Typical working time, once the adhesive has reached a ready-to-install state, is between 1 and 2 hours depending on site conditions. After the installation is complete, roll the flooring in both directions with a 100-pound 3-section roller. Use a small hand roller in difficult-to-reach areas. After 1 hour, roll the flooring again in both directions with a 100-pound 3-section roller. Use a clean white cloth dampened with water to remove wet adhesive. Dried adhesive may require the use of denatured alcohol or methyl hydrate applied to a clean white cloth. Follow manufacturer's precautions when using these chemicals. By following the printed installation instructions and using the techniques demonstrated in this video, installations can be performed safely, efficiently, and professionally every time. Visit Tarkett.com for the most current installation and maintenance instructions.